Have you ever wondered why your favorite perfume gives you headaches or makes your skin itch? The truth is that synthetic fragrances are packed with chemicals that can irritate your skin and even disrupt your hormones. But what if I told you there's a better way? Today we're diving into the world of natural fragrances, essential oils and plant extracts that not only smell amazing, but are also gentler on your skin and health. Stick around because this might just change the way you think about fragrance forever. Let's start with the problem: synthetic fragrances. Did you know that most perfumes and scented products contain hundreds of undisclosed chemicals? These chemicals, like phthalates and parabens, can cause allergic reactions, headaches, and even long-term health issues. Studies show that 1 in 3 people experience sensitivity to synthetic fragrances. That's where natural fragrances come in. Essential oils are nature's answer to synthetic fragrances. Extracted from plants, flowers, and herbs, these oils are packed with natural compounds that not only smell incredible, but also offer therapeutic benefits. For example, lavender oil calms your mind and soothes your skin. Citrus oils like bergamot uplift your mood. Rose oil is a natural aphrodisiac and moisturizer. And the best part, they're less likely to cause allergic reactions because they're free from harsh chemicals. But wait, there's more. Plant extracts are another game changer. From vanilla and chamomile to sandalwood and jasmine, these extracts are not only gentle on your skin, but also biodegradable and eco-friendly. Plus, they blend beautifully with essential oils to create unique, personalized scents. Imagine smelling like a walk through a blooming garden without the sneezing or rashes. Ready to make the switch? Here's how. 1. Read labels. Look for products that use essential oils or plant extracts instead of fragrance or perfume. 2. DIY your own. Mix your favorite essential oils with water or a carrier oil for a custom scent. 3. Support natural brands. Choose companies that prioritize clean, non-toxic ingredients. It's that simple, and trust me, your skin and your nose will thank you. So, are you ready to ditch synthetic fragrances and embrace the power of nature? Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite essential oil or plant-based scent? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips for living a cleaner, healthier life. Thanks for watching, and remember, your beauty should never come at the cost of your health.